Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind happypuppytruffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. Today I wanted to share with you guys this unique character from Sanrio, which you wouldn't expect because they always have really cute characters. But they have these weird like shake ones, and now there's this strange Gudetama, which is like the little just a character of inside a raw egg, and sometimes he turns into this person, which is really strange, and then there's different scenarios of him being in different foods. It's very strange. I don't particularly like it, but it kind of grows on you as you look at it longer and you hear his voice especially is very cute. But this is just some official Sanrio licensed kind of paper that you can get at the 100 yen store, because most of the 100 yen stores, both DAISO and Seiya, have a licensing agreement with Sanrio so that they have some items there. And even at Seiya they have stuff from Disney too. So if you're looking for some cheap goods in that sense, it's a good place to go check out. The origami paper that you can usually get here is a pretty good quality, I think. I've always been pretty impressed with it. It's not so bad at all. It's a pretty good good stuff. The thing that it is 100 yen, but so you're getting less paper. There's one kind of pattern and there's 16 sheets in this one, so I'll kind of open up and show you guys what it looks like. This is just a printed Chiyogami, and the paper itself is a pretty good quality. It's got a nice thin crispness to it, so it'll fold really well. It'll do complex origami folds really well. It is, it's really thin actually, so in that sense, you probably would maybe be able to make like a box that could hold something very heavy in it, but it has a nice good quality to it. The ink and pattern printing on it is really nice. So as you can see, it's the same pattern for all of this. It's all with the yellow background and with that Gudetama on there, and different sayings that he says that are common. So you kind of get a nice little overview of the entire character just with the origami paper. So that can be kind of a fun way, personally for myself, when I see a design like that I like at Sanrio or at Sanix. I like to get the sticker collection so that I can have all the different kinds of ways that they've designed and idealized their image for that particular series of design. And so origami paper can be a really great way to do that too. So when you fold it, it does sort of look sometimes strange. I think simple things work better for these kinds of things because the pattern itself is pretty busy. So making something like a box or something can be a really good, or a balloon origami or something can be a good way to use this. But definitely something to pick up if you guys are interested in these unique characters, to check it out. And I will have some more things like this to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!